10 Wild Animals in Switzerland Part 2. Switzerland is a landlocked European country located in the western part of the continent, at the crossroads of Central and Southern Europe. It is dominated by a mountainous landscape made of the Alps and the Jura. The vast majority of its population lives on the Swiss plateau, has 3 official languages and a recognized national language, and is known for its neutrality in general. An interesting part of the country that I wanted to tackle is its wildlife. In light of that, I have listed the best of it, and I hope you will love learning what animals live in Switzerland. On place 10, Common Crane. The common crane, also known as the Eurasian crane, is a medium-sized species of crane native to Eurasia. It is a migratory bird, spending the winter in sub-Saharan Africa, the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and the Arabian Peninsula. This crane mainly lives in taiga and boreal forests, from sea level to up to 2,200 meters above it. It is omnivorous, just like other cranes, and feeds on plant matter such as fruits, seeds, and roots, but also animal resources such as dragonflies, snails, spiders, and earthworms. On place 9, Stoat. The stoat, also known as the Beringian ermine, the Eurasian ermine, or simply the ermine, is a species of mustelid native to Eurasia, and the northern parts of North America. It is considered of least concern since it can be found all around the northern hemisphere. There is a national subspecies of the stoat in Switzerland, known as the Swiss stoat, Mustela erminia minima. It was first described by Cabaza in 1912 year. On place 8, Longeared Owl. The long-eared owl, also known as the cat owl, the lesser horned owl, or the northern long-eared owl, is a medium-sized species of owl native to much of the northern hemisphere, in both Eurasia and North America. It populates the semi-open habitats of Switzerland, mainly woodland edge, and it roosts and nests in densely wooded areas. When it comes to feeding, it almost exclusively hunts for small rodents, mainly voles. On place 7, Bearded Vulture. The bearded vulture, also known as the ossifrage or the lammergeier, is a very large species of bird of prey native to several areas of Europe, Africa, and Asia. It is unique in the sense that it almost exclusively feeds on bone marrow, the only known vertebrate to do that. To crack open the bones of the carrion it finds, it usually drops them onto rocks from a decent height. On place 6, European Badger. The European badger is a species of mustelid native to all of Europe, except for several insular territories and northernmost Scandinavia. It is known for its characteristic gray, black, and white fur and its surprising ferociousness and strength, mainly when it comes to defending its territory. One of the major mortality factors amongst European badgers is bovine tuberculosis. It was first observed in 1951 year in Switzerland, and individuals can survive and breed for years, although they are infected. On place 5, European Mole. The European mole, also known as the northern mole or the common mole, is a species of mole native to much of Europe and into European Russia. It is known for living in a constantly expanding tunnel system, and leaving displaced earth at the surface of the ground, which is the characteristic mole hills. This mammal has toxins in its saliva, which is used to paralyze earthworms, the main part of its diet. On place 4, red fox. The red fox is the largest species of true fox and one of the most common and well-known animals in Europe. In fact, it is also one of the most successful species on the planet, being found almost everywhere, and expanding its range alongside humans. It has only been present in Zurich, Switzerland since the 1980s year, and there are around 35,000 individuals in the country alone. On place 3, beech marten. The beech marten, also known as the white-breasted marten, the house marten, or the stone marten, is a species of marten native to Europe and Central Asia, and has been introduced to North America. Thanks to its presence in protected areas, as well as its large numbers and very wide distribution, it is considered of least concern. Opposite to the pine marten, the beech marten is less specialized, and can inhabit a wide range of environments, including forests and open habitats. On place 2, wild boar. The wild boar, also known as the Eurasian wild pig, the common wild pig, the wild swine, or simply the wild pig, is one of the most common and widespread animals in Europe. It has been hunted for thousands of years, and is particularly important to Germanic and Celtic cultures. This mammal is one of the most wide-ranging animals on the planet, being found in almost any continent, in a wide variety of forms and subspecies. On place 1, roe deer. The roe deer, also known as the European roe, the Western roe deer, or simply the roe, is a species of deer native to almost the entirety of Europe, except for some insular regions such as Ireland, Sardinia, and Corsica. This deer can survive in a wide range of habitats, from open agricultural lands to woodlands and forests. Usually, it spends the day hiding in dense cover, and emerges at night to feed on herbs and grasses.